Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Terra Luna. Right now seeing a $34.78 price point, now up to $35.71, a 21.83% increase. Continuing to see Terra do very, very well, and there's a lot of reasons as to why that is. We're going to jump into all of it today regarding news, price predictions for the future of obviously this 2021 year, and then the end of the bull market part 2 as well. If we take a look at the last week, we can obviously see that there's been a ton of volatility, whether it's the big market crash that dropped it down to $23 or this most recent push up from $31 all the way up to $39.30 and then dropping back down to $35.31 it looks like. So I do want to talk, like I said, about this really coin altogether, but if we take a look at the last month, or last year really, I do want to say, guys, we are pushing at our all-time high right now. We have had an all-time high push right around $39.30. We can actually see the market cap around $14 billion, the volume in the last 24 hours sitting around $2.4 billion, and we continue to, like I said, see a ton of volatility when it comes to Terra Luna, and there's a lot of reasons as to why. Like I said, I do want to jump into those, so let's get started. Before we jump in though, guys, I do want to say, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on before we continue on. Crypto is all about network effects. The lower in the primitive stack you go, the stronger the network effects. Money is the base primitive that really crypto was designed for, the lowest. L1s are the next lowest. So Terra Money fulfills both criteria. This means compounding network effects. So realize how big Terra Money is going to be. Obviously, a ton of reasons as to why Terra is being so successful just recently. And really, as the crypto market, in my opinion, continues to grab more and more, retail as well as institutional investors, mass adoption continues, Terra is going to be one of those coins that stands out. So here we see cryptocurrency jobs. So Terra is a programmable money for the internet that is easier to spend and more attractive to hold. Now hiring in SEAL, the remote for the following roles: DevOps engineer and full stack backend engineer. So you're seeing more applications being able to be, really brought in, obviously more job opportunities for Terra, and that's going to continue to really build this company up. And I think a lot of people are excited about the future of Terra because they continue to hire and continue to build on their team. If we actually take a look now at the Columbus 5 mainnet, unfortunately, we did have the development will be delayed 3 weeks until a new block height of 4.724 million, roughly equivalent to the following times. By the way, they have the times here, 9:29, 9:30, right around those dates. We're going to see big things coming, obviously, with the Columbus 5 mainnet that we've talked about in the previous videos of Terra. So we're not going to deep dive too much in Columbus 5, but do really recognize that this is going to be a huge update for Terra holders. We have a couple more things regarding Terra, obviously, to talk about, but before we do so, guys, these articles that I want to jump into, the first thing I want to do is go to BlockFi. So if you ever go to BlockFi, just type in Google on BlockFi, or you can go to BlockFi.com. I do actually have a link down in the description below. If you use my link, you will get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up. The cool thing about BlockFi is a lot of coins are not able to be staked. Well, with BlockFi, you can stake any cryptocurrency pretty much. Chainlink, you can't stake that outside of BlockFi. Well, guess what? With BlockFi, you can stake Chainlink. So there's great opportunities, and you can get up to 7.5% APY. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So like I said, if you guys want to take advantage of this, definitely use my link down below, blockfi.com/cryptoprofit. It will actually, like I said, give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin. And we all know that now is a better time than ever to take advantage of that, as we just had this most recent dip, $44,000 and declining still. So it's going to give you a great opportunity to get a low price of Bitcoin when you sign up. I do want to talk a little bit more, though, about Terra, specifically this tweet here: striving towards a world where all blockchains can seamlessly communicate. Terra Money has put forward 150 million worth of its Luna tokens. Project Dawn will kick off with a team tasked with contributing to the Cosmos ecosystem as well. So this is a great report that talks about it on the Defiant.io. I'm not going to jump into that because we have two other great articles to jump into. And the first one's going to be on Investor Place, talking about Dear Luna crypto fans, mark your calendars for a big upgrade on September 30th. This obviously going to be that Columbus 5 upgrade we just talked about and how it got delayed. So the Terra upgrade seeks to benefit the Luna crypto, and we've talked about it. And like I said, we're not going to jump too much into it this time around, as we have also this Terra price prediction. Luna needs to overcome this barrier for a new all-time high of $40. This is according to FX Street. So Luna needs to clear $33.50 resistance level to have a chance of retesting the all-time high. We did see it clear that $33.50, and we also saw it clear a new all-time high. However, we have not seen it clear $40 quite yet, so it may be clearing that $40 in the next couple of days. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date, obviously, with Terra as we move along. But Terra Price has been trying to recuperate from losses after September 7th crash, and there's a lot of people excited about this bullish push up. I will say, guys, realistically, Terra is going to continue to be one of those coins that we're going to watch on this channel a lot. So if you guys are interested in Terra Luna, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I do want to talk about the end of the year and the end of the bull market part 2 price predictions real quick before we talk about anything else. So as we jump in, I want to say I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, but Terra Luna is looking very, very bullish. I think with this 21 to 22% increase in just the last 24 hours, a lot of us can understand where a lot of people are coming from. We have had a just recent dip. If we take a look at the last hour, you can see so much volatility continuing to take place, but in the last 24 hours, we've came all the way down from $39.30 down to about $35, $34, and now back up to about $35, pushing hopefully to that $36 now. But realistically, there's going to be a lot of opportunities to buy these small market dips, but the crypto space as a whole is kind of taking a downfall right now. So as we continue on this streak down, I will wait to call the bottom on Terra. Right now, I don't believe we are at that. Obviously, I think there's going to be great opportunities and dips to come from this point in on. If we actually take a look, if a lot of people, kind of did the same thing with Solana, Solana's one that was doing a huge push, 342%. You can't be mad about that, but you are seeing a pullback now. So if you guys were buying mid 200s, or not mid 200s, but you guys were buying those low 200s, now unfortunately you're sitting at $171 because this last 24 hours did have a nice pullback of 13%. Now would be the time if you wanted to get into Solana to get in. Unfortunately, a lot of people were buying, like I said, those low 200s and are already kind of down on the numbers. But I do want to say, realistically, by the end of the year, I do think Terra still has a chance of reaching higher highs. This all-time high push to $39 may not be it. I think we are going to see right around a $50 to $60 price point by the end of the year. And by the end of the bull market part 2, we easily have room, after doing some TA this morning on Terra, I think we're still in a very, very bullish look. And I think because of that, we could easily see Terra by the end of the bull market part 2 pushing to $100 or maybe even $120 at the very least. So we'll definitely keep you guys up to date. Like I said, with all of that, if you guys have not already, make sure to follow me on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. I do have the link there down below in the description as well. If you guys have not already as well, taking a look at the patreon.com/CryptoProfitYT, I have a bronze, silver, and gold level where you guys can get market updates, exclusive market updates, that is, pre-sale opportunities, low market cap picks, as well as so much more. So if you guys want to take advantage, definitely take a look at that Patreon. Like I said, I won't be running any ads on the channel. That is YouTube AdSense ads for the month of September at the very, very least. So make sure to take advantage of that and help support if you guys can. Thank you guys again for tuning in for this another really update on Terra Luna. I'll see you guys all in the next one.